So are big brands leaving our favorite discount stores? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, if this is your first time viewing my videos, my name is Elle and I create content to help better your lives in some way. So if you like that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you'll be notified when your girl uploads a new video, because by the end of this video you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head. You gotta keep up with your BFFs, so just go ahead and do it. Thanks. So I was talking with one of my friends the other day and they were telling me about how they found it hard to find like different brands that they're used to seeing in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and come to find out that they just haven't been receiving them anymore. So that kind of made me think like, what's going on there? So I did a little research and we're going to talk about what I found out today. So if you're interested, then keep watching. A quick disclaimer, I'm dealing with my sinuses, so I might sound a little stopped up, so just bear with me. Okay, so before I begin the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'll be using the word off-price retailer and discount store interchangeably. So I wanted to give you guys the meaning of that so you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Off-price retailers or discount stores is a retailer that sells brand names at a discounted price. Pretty simple. So basically, bigger brands will take items like that didn't sell or have a defect or have a overrun, like they have way too much of that product, and they'll resell it to stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington's, or Ross, or whatever, and they'll in turn sell it to us at a discount price. So basically that's what it is. So some of the big brands that are leaving discount stores are Under Armour, Ralph Lauren, Carter's, Steve Madden, and Levi's. So why are they leaving? Well, a huge reason is a shortage in product due to issues with the supply chain. So we've all been seeing that. If you've been watching the news, if you are grocery shopping, you can see a lot of stuff has been out of stock and it's just taking longer to get back into the stores because of that. And because of the effects of the supply chain, it's less product and a higher demand. So those big brands are able to sell their product at their regular full retail price. So there really isn't much product left to resell to off-price retailers. Even before the pandemic, these brands were slowly trying to move away from off-price retailers because they feel like it waters down the brand and it lessens the buying power. And what I mean by buying power is basically you can buy it from TJ Maxx or Ross, then you're less likely to buy it from that retailer at full retail price. Brands want to sell their products. They want to sell it through their own stores and their own outlets, because reselling it to off-price retailers, they don't make as much money as they would if they were selling it in their own brand stores or even in their outlets. And at the end of the day, it's about the bottom line. Okay? Saving that bottom line. Next question. So how does it affect off-price retailers? They will not be able to offer as many name brands as we're used to seeing. Also, other brands might follow suit, and once they see these big brands leaving, they might be like, well, you know what? Let us leave too and save us some coins as well. So in the future, there might not be any name brand apparel and shoes. And in my personal opinion, I do think that would affect their bottom line, because although people do go to those types of stores for home decor and things like that, people still go there to shop for clothes as well, clothes and shoes. So that definitely will be a huge chunk of their profit that they will be potentially missing if all of these big brands leave. You know what I mean? Like, they probably still have some brands they can offer, but like the household names, you know, people, the things that people are looking for, if they don't have it there, then it's like definitely going to affect it. It's something to be concerned about. If I was them, I would be concerned. I would be keeping my good eye on it for sure. And lastly, how does it affect us as a consumer? If you are an avid bargain shopper, this will definitely dramatically change the way you shop, because baby, if you cannot find those name brand items that you love at a discounted price, you're gonna have to save your coins up and you're gonna probably have to buy them full price at those retailers, if that's what you like to do. I mean, you don't necessarily have to have name brands, but if you're the type of person that that's just what you like, that brand just fits you well, that's just your vibe, then be prepared that might have to be an option. So yeah. And I wanted to close out this video saying that this really, I really feel like this could be a trickle down effect on other places that carry name brand items, such as Dollar Tree. And I know y'all probably like, well, Dollar Tree don't sell clothes. They don't, at least not the one here. They really don't sell clothes like that. But they do have like name brand makeup in there sometimes. So I just wonder if that's going to have an effect on their shipment as well, and what they will carry if eventually these makeup companies are like, well, you know, we're not gonna send, you know, our items there anymore, or how, you know, it just kind of makes me think about how other brands are going to move in the future, those who resell their products or sell their products to off-price retailers that are, you know, not the ones that I've listed, but like, you know, just places like that. I don't know, it just kind of made me think about that. I'm like, I wonder what else this supply chain is going to affect besides what we've already seen. Like, you know, it's just, I don't know, it's just a lot. It's a lot. It's like, dang, I never really thought it would really affect, you know, my bargain shopping. Like, what? Like, but anyways, I just wanted to share this information with you guys. I thought it was interesting, and it does fall in line with the type of content that I put out on my channel. It's a little bit different. Yeah, so if I see anything else that's interesting to me like this, I definitely will share it with you guys. I'm definitely keeping my eye out on this, and if any other brands are set to leave any more discount stores, but as of now it's just the ones that I've listed according to the CNN article that I've read, and another article that I saw as well that was talking about this topic, and I will link both of those below so you guys can go and see for yourself if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to check out all my social media links down below. Don't forget to shop my store, 107luxe.com. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.